that's quick to get a buzz. No cap, I'm the one that really know the plug. No cap, if you hatin', I'm the one that don't care. No cap, I'm the only one who slay that pink care. No cap, they be talking about it, but I be living it. No cap, they think I'm listening, but I ain't hearing it. No cap, they be talking about it, but I be living it. No cap, they think I'm listening, but I ain't hearing it. No cap, riding with me, do you rockin' with me? I'm turning up, got a squad with me, yeah, the city knowing my name. I'm taking over the Hall of Fame, BT Awards, got my name on the platter, all deuces up. I'm from the ladder, says one thing that really to him. You hate on me, then it really don't matter, no. You can compare me to another rapper that's an R&B. If you wanna be, that's a felony. My telepathy is ahead of me, and that's one thing that you can't say.
What's up, LLSQUAD? I'm Lamar, and Lamar is getting dressed right now. So today we're going to be opening LOL Surprise hair goals and Hot Wheels. So we're going to tell you guys about it once Lamont comes out the bathroom. So wait 1 second. So Lamont just came out the bathroom. I'm JoJo Siwa today. Lamont here. Come on, P-Day. Get on this side. P-Day got to put his stuff away. So right when he comes back, we're going to open LOL and Hot Wheels, and we're going to test them out. This one is the real one, the real LOL doll, because that's TM. Because I just watched a video about LOL doll hair goals, and it's so much fun. Hurry up, PJ. We call him PJ, but his real name is Lamont. Come on, man. So our PJ, or Lamont, is coming upstairs in 3, 2, 1, 0. Take off your shoes, man. Come see the people in LLSQUAD. This side. Come see the people at LLSQUAD. Say hi.
Hi.
This is Lamont. So we're going to be starting to open this one. First, we're going to do rock, paper, scissors, see who goes first. Ready? Sorry, guys. Gotta hold it with my feet. Ready? Oh my God. Sorry. Ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. So I go first. Okay, the loser has to go first. That's what my brother said. So let's open this first. Open yours. I want to save mine for last.
Let's open it and see what's inside.
Need help?
You're in this need
Okay, record. Tell LLSQUAD what you did today.
Well, we did get some cereal at Walmart. And we get, what did we get?
We got milk.
We got milk.
We went
And we got hangers.
and we went to the modeling thing.
And then we went to the modeling thing.
And what else? We went to Checker and churches.
Yeah, we went to Checkers.
Churches.
Churches, right.
This is our hard box. Flip. Hi. This box is heavy. Okay. Finally. Get this freaking thing open. Whoa. Let's see what else is it. So, This also comes with the car. So you have to break this box open just to get the car. Holy day. Okay. We're going to read these instructions to build this thing. However this goes, I'm gonna be reading these instructions. So we'll get back to you guys when it's built. Okay, guys? We couldn't put back the Hot Wheels, so we're just gonna start with the LOL for now. Okay? Start recording, PD. Just hold it, face it to me. Face it to me. Okay. So first we're gonna start with the first layer of the LOL doll. Our mom is downstairs. So yeah. Gotta open. Here we go, the zipper. Got it. The zipper. The zipper actually helps. See? Peter, face it up. They can't see me. This is easier than the Hot Wheels. The Hot Wheels is right there, guys. I can't put it together. So, opening the first layer of the LOL. Not finished with this first layer. Ah. Come on, first layer. Get your way off. Ugh. I really hope I get either splatters or the one I want. Okay. So we got that first layer on. The second layer says, color me fabulous. So now we're on the second layer. Ugh. Oh. We got a secret message. We're gonna put that over there till we get this flipping thing off. Got the hair goals instructions that we don't really need for right now. Ooh, it has a mirror. I'm gonna keep opening this. This is so easy. Comment down below in the comment section how many LOLs do you have. So we finally got it open. So we got a secret message. Messy Bunny. Oh, it was Messy Bun. You got a messy bun. So let's open our, here goes, spray bottle thingy, whatever it is. Yeah. Okay. Whoa. So this is our hair goals. So this is our collector's guide. Let me see which one I really want. I either want splatters, or this one, or that one. I just want all of them. Okay. Let's see. Which one is the first line bag? Okay. I'm going to just open this one first. See what's inside? It's a little itty bitty shoe. Oh, two shoes. They both fell out. I know what I got. Got these little teeny tiny shoes. Okay. Let's open these rollers. You can actually use these rollers for your hair. You can, it's actually a little storage. a little comb, a little white comb. Cause the roller. Let's try this roller. See what's inside. Oh my god, it's a little itty bitty bottle. It's so cute. Shout out to Tahani and Michael Michelle for making these. These are the best ever. Got this little so cute bottle. You have so much paper. We have rollers everywhere, paper everywhere. Put the rollers right here. Let's open these bike bag now. Let's see what we have. Oh, little bunny ears. I know what I got. So now let's open this blind bag. See what it is. Oh my god. It's a little suit. It's a little jacket and a skirt. Oh my god. Let's see if I can open the top. Because this thing is not going on. So I'm going to pop off the bottom. How do you pop off the top? There we go. There's no more going back before we open the doll. It comes with a little doll stand and a holder. So we're gonna pop the top off and put it inside here to make it a little doll chair. And when the doll comes out, it has somewhere to sit. See? Pop off the top of the spray bottle and you clip it in. There's a little seat for it. Let's see what we got. I'm so excited. Okay. So first, I'm going to start off with her little boots. Oh my god, I think she's a color changer. Actually, I'm going to start off with her head, because her head is the easiest. You just gotta... Oh no, her body came off. Oh my god, it's so cute. Now I gotta open her body. I'm gonna show you guys the reveal. It's so cute. Let me put it on. Okay. So here it is. Let's see if it's a color changer. It's a color changer. I got a color changer. I got a fancy stripes. Yeah, I want Maddie because she's the ultra rare. Look at this one. I'm gonna put its accessories on. First, I'm gonna put on its outfit. Put on this little skirt that it has. Twist it. Okay, we got a skirt. Okay. This goes here. Sorry guys, it's gonna take a little while because I did this with my other LOL dolls. I only have one so far. Now I have two. I used to have three, but I don't now because one of them got lost because my friend lost it when she was playing with it. I'm almost finished, you guys. This is difficult. I'll put her hands up in the air so I can put this on. So now you put your arms down. This is difficult. I can't even put it through the arms. So now I get it. Now I got it. Put her hand through the hoop. Is it through? Is it through? Yes, it's through. Now finally, I gotta do the other one. My mom took us to Walmart, and she said if we had enough time, she'd let us get a toy. And this is the toy I picked. I finally got it on. Now, her fuzzy boots. Oh, sprung foot, I think. Okay. It slips right on. There we go. Now, time for her bunny ears. I know her bunny ears popped off. I'm trying to make it stay. So I'm gonna put this. Now I'm gonna put on the top thing for LOL. Where's the big gold top, PJ? Oh, it's right here. So I'm gonna have to take out the LOL thing. Put the top back on. Twist it. Attach the lid. The doll skin could go on the top. Or the bottom. Doll skin could go on the top or the bottom. And put on the top for now. And I'm gonna get the chain thing. And I'm gonna attach this to it. PJ's tired. I'm tired too. Been out all day. I'm trying to put this through. So it goes through this way. Okay, I got it. I'm gonna have to do that later. Okay, I'm gonna get my secret message and I'm gonna put it in my LOL stand. And here it goes. Put the bunny and the brush and then close it in there. And then put this on the bottom. Then I have to open this back up. Put the rollers in here. I'm gonna keep. I have to throw this away. I'm almost finished, guys. I do have to put this on. This is difficult. There we go, finally.
Are y'all recording?
Yeah, we're going LLSQUAD.
Yeah, with the LL Squad. Hi, LL Squad.
And this is my character. Now we're gonna do PJs.
Yeah.
Mom, we have one problem.
What?
Needs batteries.
We got some batteries downstairs. Let's see. Okay, now I can't see those, so you guys have to keep recording each other.
Okay. So can you go downstairs and get the?
Alright, look in the box. I need to see what kind of battery to take.
The instructions are right here.
Let me